Welcome back to Backroad Capers. This week we hit the road on two wheels. With all the rain we've been having, I have not been able to get into the woods and mountain bike, so I headed over to the Neuse River Trail. The Neuse River Trail is 33 miles long and travels all the way from the Falls Lake Dam to Clayton. It's also the longest greenway trail in North Carolina and is open to cyclists and pedestrians. Lots and lots of pedestrians. It was a fun ride on a cool day. I didn't see as much of the river as I expected, but the two suspension bridges were very cool to ride over. In fact, obviously to make the video, but I rode over them a couple times just because they were neat to see. Ooh, look, single track. Alright, it's short, but it was fun. Hopefully, this wet weather ends soon and I can get back in the woods. But today, a good ride.